dark cloud hanging, it's hanging over my head, and I can hear people laughing at me instead. And all the bright colors faded into a dark grey, 'cause I can't see no dawning at the start of any day. I can feel the pressure rising in this tiny space, and I can hear my heart beating beneath my rib cage. And a cold sweat is pouring, it's pouring down my face, and I gotta leave here and get out of this place. They say God can hear all his children cry, so why does he leave them wishing that they would die? Just take me away from this godforsaken place. And I gotta leave here, 'cause I just can't take this pain. Would it be easier if I died? 'Cause maybe then this hell on earth would feel satisfied. Lock me up and throw away the key, and don't tell anyone about me, 'cause they won't know and they won't care just how I came to be here. They'll carry on with their own lives while I'm staring at my insides and watching the ships go out to sea, and I'm hoping they'll come one day for me. They say God can hear all his children cry, so why does he leave me wishing that I could die? Just take me away from this godforsaken place. And I gotta leave here, 'cause I just can't take this pain. Would it be easier if I died? 'Cause maybe then this hell on earth would feel satisfied. Very good. Really nice.